How's it going? My name is Nick Pasquale. I'm the Director of Tech here at Keller Williams San Diego Metro. And today I'm going to do a little frequently asked questions that I get. And one of the questions I get all the time is how do I get a QR code or how do I make a QR code? And people think it's the hardest thing in the world, but in reality, it's very simple and your browser actually does it for you. So today I'm just going to give you a quick little, probably like 1 minute tutorial on how to get your QR code. So to get a QR code, you're going to need two things. One of them is going to be Google Chrome because Google Chrome does it. There's a couple other browsers that do it. I know Brave browser, which is the browser I use, does it. But just use Google Chrome because that's the most common one that everyone uses. And the other thing you're going to need is a website that you're going to want the QR code to lead to. So if you watched my last video, which I'll have up in the top right corner on how to make a landing page for your open house, I'm going to make a QR code for that landing page. So if I go down here to the Consumer tab, go to Landing Pages. This was a landing page that I made in my previous video, which is for an open house that I would be hosting, quote unquote. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this URL link. It is going to take me to the URL landing page that I made. Perfect. It looks awesome. Just double checking. So what we're going to do now is this URL is going to be at the top. Under Google Chrome, there is going to be this little kind of like half square and this arrow coming out called Share This Page. You're going to click on that, create a QR code, and then bam, there you go. You can name it whatever you want, and you can go ahead and just download this. I'll download it, it gets downloaded, and then from there, it'll get pulled up as a little image that you could go ahead and paste on anything you want, or just put this on a piece of paper, 8.5 by 11 piece of paper that says scan me. Throw it up in your open houses. It saves paper, saves the environment, and people could scan this, and it's fast and easy for your clients. And plus, if you made that open house form correctly, look at that, you have your contact page at the bottom. So other than that, if you have any thoughts, questions, or concerns, throw it down in the comments below, and I'll get back to them and answer them as soon as I can. Thank you.